So the rationale behind this was I didn't want to take off the flight controller and the ESCs to fix this. To change the main plate on this frame is a real pain in the butt. And I don't want to put any more money into it. Instead, it was easier to take super glue, pour it into the crack, let it dry, hold it in place till it dried. Come back, second application, around the seams, and let that dry. Now, it's going to probably break the next bad crash that I have, but that's okay. The reason why I can get away with this is not going to change the flight characteristics of the frame itself. If you had broken or delaminated carbon arms, then yes, you would get really bad vibrations coming through from the motors and affecting your gyro and throwing things off. And again, it's not going to change the flight characteristics of the quad. Thanks for sticking around. Please give a like, subscribe, and a nice comment.